So for example, we implemented what we call the PM schedule evaluation. So basically what it does is that it uses a very, very simple scale whenever a technician goes out to the field to do some maintenance work of a PM schedule. We developed this scale where basically when they close the work order, they rank that PM schedule and say, well, in my opinion, this is an A because it was really a little bit unnecessary to maintain at this point in time. We certainly could have done it later. Or is it a B because it was performed at the right time and there was no damage? We did it with just the maintenance that was required as dictated by the PM schedule. Or C, it was done like way, way too late, right? So with this kind of information, which again is extremely simple, we're starting to produce these reports that look at the different assets that we have on the fields, how many times we have actually touched these devices, and then based on that, what do we think in terms of the PM schedule? Was it too early? Was it just in time, or was it too late? So this is an example of how we can put together simple things to get more information. Now you get into a little bit more complicated stuff, right? In the scale, we can look at things like mean time between failures, right? So it gives us an opportunity to, again, fine-tune our maintenance program based on what's actually happening out in the field. So probably the biggest challenge here, again, is to capture information by means of asking the technician, what went wrong? Why did it fail? And obviously, you can get into all of the engineering in the world and go as deep, as you want. But there are some very simple things that you can do. For example, here we're looking at whether it was a mechanical failure, an operator failure, an electrical failure, or a material failure. Not a lot of science here. But if you're able to tell when the assets failed because the operator just doesn't know how to do it and needs retraining, that's a great relief to the maintenance organization because they have something actionable that they can go by. So again, looking for simple ways to capture more information and then take it from there.